Welcome back to Shift Zone 2025, ***. In today's video, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2026 Renault Kwid, a compact car that continues to redefine urban driving in India. If you're looking for an affordable and stylish ride, stay tuned as we explore all the features, specs, and expected pricing of the 2026 Renault Kwid. Renault has been a key player in India's compact car segment, and the Kwid has always been a popular choice due to its unique design and features. The 2026 Renault Kwid takes this legacy forward with an updated look and enhanced features that make it even more appealing for the modern driver. One of the standout updates for the 2026 Kwid is its refreshed exterior. It comes with a bold new front grille, sleek headlamps, and a more aggressive stance. The redesigned bumper gives it a sporty vibe, making it stand out on the road. Renault has truly embraced the idea of blending utility with style, and the 2026 Kwid has certainly evolved in that department. Moving inside, the 2026 Renault Kwid offers a more premium cabin. The interior features a new touchscreen infotainment system that supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, ensuring seamless connectivity. The dashboard has also been revamped, giving it a modern and sophisticated look. The Kwid's cabin is designed with comfort in mind, and there's enough space for both the driver and passengers, making it ideal for city commutes and short trips. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Kwid will continue to offer a fuel-efficient experience, a key factor for many buyers in India. It's expected to come with a 1.0-liter petrol engine, which provides a perfect balance between power and fuel efficiency. The 2026 Kwid might also feature an improved suspension system for a smoother ride, which is important for navigating both city streets and rough roads. Renault has also focused on safety in the 2026 Kwid. The car is expected to come equipped with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, and rear parking sensors, ensuring a safer driving experience. These features make the Kwid a solid choice for first-time car buyers or anyone looking for a budget-friendly yet secure option. The 2026 Renault Kwid will also come with a variety of customization options. Whether you prefer a sporty or more traditional look, Renault is expected to offer several color options and accessories to suit different tastes. This ensures that each Kwid owner can personalize their vehicle to reflect their personality. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2026 Renault Kwid is expected to be priced between Indian rupee 4.5 lakh to 6 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom. This pricing makes it an incredibly affordable option for those looking for a new car without breaking the bank. With all these features and a competitive price tag, the 2026 Kwid is set to capture the attention of budget-conscious buyers in India. To sum it up, the 2026 Renault Kwid is an exciting new version of an already successful car. With its fresh design, upgraded feature